Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on Redmi A3 Pro. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and now click install. Now you can click open, and here you can click on this button to skip introduction. Then you can click open permissions, and now click on AI assistant. Now you have to click here to allow this app to display over other apps, and then click back. Now you can click back again and then click start. And as you can see right here, there is my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.